Um, Hello, my name is Eduardo Gonzalez, and today I'm going to find the midpoint of my line segment that is on this coordinate plane. In order to find the midpoint, we're going to have to use the midpoint formula. This is what the midpoint formula looks like. It is parentheses x1 plus x2 over 2 comma y1 plus y2 over 2. Our coordinate plane, we have a line segment, as well as points, which are the endpoints of the line segment, that are 0, 12, and 10, 0. And what we're going to do with these coordinates is that we're going to plug them into the midpoint formula. Before we plug the coordinates in the midpoint formula, let's ask what a midpoint is. A midpoint is the half point of a line segment, and it also takes any line segment and makes them into two equal halves. And if you do not know what a line segment is a line with two endpoints. This is what a line segment looks like, and those two dots at each end are the endpoints, as you can see right here. Now let's plug in these numbers. Okay, so we first of all we added the x1 and x2 from each coordinate, so that would be 0 plus 10, as well as we added y1 and y2, that would be 12 plus 0. Once we added those, we get 10 over 2, comma 12 over 2. After we simplify, we get 5 over 6 as our midpoint of the line segment on the coordinate plane.